Today I'm in a new construction neighborhood here in Woodstock, Georgia, and we're going to be touring this brand new model house behind me. Now, this community is going to have 72 houses in total, and it's really beautiful. I mean, as you can see, there's just tons of trees and there's a walking trail, and I love it here. It is in the beginning stages of construction, which means that these are the lowest prices that they're ever going to have. And as construction rolls on, the prices are just going to go up so that the people who actually bought in the beginning will have a really nice equity boost. This community is going to have a cabana, a picnic area, and a fire pit. And one thing that really strikes me about this community is that there are just a lot of nice lots available. Many of them that, they back up to woods, which is hard to find these days. Now, we are under 4 miles away from downtown Woodstock, and I don't know if you've ever been there, but there's just so many cute restaurants and boutiques there, a brewery, and even your basic stores like your Publix and your pharmacies. It's just under a mile down the road. So this is a really great location. Now, this model house it's stunning. It is stunning. So if you are interested in new construction in Georgia, you are definitely not going to want to miss this video. So let's go check it out. Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano, and we are about to tour this gorgeous farmhouse style model house behind me. And like I mentioned before, since this is a brand new community, there's just a ton of beautiful lots to choose from. I have a lot of new construction experience and a great relationship with this builder, which I leverage for my clients, not only to get you the best possible deal, but also to make this process as smooth as possible for you. In fact, I'm here today shopping for one of my clients. This builder, along with most new construction builders here in Georgia, value the buyer-agent relationship. So our commission is actually completely covered by the builder. So having me help you through this process is actually no cost to you at all. If you are moving to Georgia and have any interest in building a new home, whether it be with this builder or another, I would love to be your realtor. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. But for now, let's go check out this gorgeous model house. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. So what did you think about this house? You have to admit, this is a gorgeous house and a pretty much perfect floor plan. It has tons of sunlight just pouring in. It's nice and open, and the kitchen is huge. I love that. And it opens up to this beautiful 2-story great room, and the pantry behind the kitchen is great. And if you were to add a sink in there, it would make a perfect prep area. One other of my favorite things is that it has a loft on the second floor. So if you forego a basement, that makes a perfect playroom or TV room or computer area. I also love the master. It's big, but not too big. And the shower was gorgeous. Very nice. Another thing I appreciate is that this community has lots of green space, which I value, especially if you have pets. And the fact that it's in the beginning stages of construction is great for those who are ready to make a move. So if you're interested, I would act quickly, because with only 72 lots, my guess is that they're going to go pretty quickly. So that's a wrap for this house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are thinking about making the move to Georgia and are interested in this property or another, I would love to be your realtor and help you make a smooth transition to the home of your dreams. Please reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.